in a boogeyman. He's here! Michael! You should.
Can you close the closet door?
Well, it's the day Halloween fans have been waiting for. A new Halloween movie arrives in theaters nationwide today. It's a sequel to the original 40 years ago. And one of the stars, Jude Courtney, is in town this weekend. He's the new Michael Myers. Welcome to the show and welcome to Bowling Green, the former home of John Carpenter. It's been a whirlwind, I'm sure, for you with the premiere in Hollywood, and now you're in the Bluegrass. How was the premiere? Talk to me first about that.
It was so much fun. It was so much fun. And Nick Castle and I, the original Shape, walked the red carpet together and did interviews, and it was so much fun. It was like a little. I mean, the audience was awesome. They really enjoyed it, and it was an awesome time. Great.
So Nick Castle has a cameo in this film, is
Correct.
that right? Okay, how did you guys work together? Kind of talk to me about that.
Well, I'd already been shooting for a few weeks when he showed up. He and I, and we were hoping this would happen, we share the same scene. So the first time Laurie Strode sees Michael Myers, the reveal, that's Nick Castle. And then from different angles as the scene progresses, it becomes me. So you wouldn't be able to see the difference. It'll look the same because the mask was made to my face, but Nick put the mask on. But we got what we wanted. So Nick is the OG Shape, like he's the to me.
Did he share secrets with you?
No, well, secrets that I can't tell.
Yeah, right.
No, but I'd already locked in the character. I'd already been doing what I was doing. So we just we're great friends now. We talk on the phone all the time and hang out together. So it forged a lasting friendship.
Awesome. And how did you land a role like this, Michael Myers, you know, in the remake? How'd you land this role?
Well, I had made the decision to only be in front of camera when I was called by a friend because I'm focused on getting my own films made right now. And so my friend, Ron Hutchinson, who's the stunt coordinator, when he read the script, he told Malika Cott and David Green, the director, and Ryan Turek at Blumhouse that they needed somebody who's like has really deep acting chops and is a very good stuntman. And there's not a whole lot of those guys who specialize in both. So he told them that, and they were very specific as to the size and weight and, you know, everything of the character, and I fit all that. So when Ron called me, I went down, they put me on tape, and after, as I understand it, after they saw me, they didn't look at anybody else. They just knew they had the guy, so.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, congratulations. And you're here in Bowling Green today. On release day, you're going to be joining Skeleton's Lair Screen Park, is that right? What are you going to be doing there?
Well, I'll be going to a screening with some of the fans, which is going to be a lot of fun. And I've never done that before. It's really great. It's really an honor. And then, as they go through the exhibits or the events there at Skeleton's Lair, I guess in the gift house, I'll be hanging out and doing autographs and photo ops and that kind of stuff. So, people want to come by and say hi. That'll be great.
So exciting. Well, we're so glad to have you. Welcome to Bowling Green. Welcome to Kentucky. We understand there's a few tickets that remain. It's the ultimate Michael Myers experience. Fans will get to watch the movie with James at Regal Cinema here in Bowling Green, attend a Q&A Saturday evening at Skeleton Lair, and be the first to go through Skeleton's Lair Screen Park Saturday night. Head over to skeletonslair.com for all of the details and for tickets this weekend. Now, the city of Bowling Green is very, very excited to have you. I'm going to have you scoot over this way. We have a special guest joining us right now. And like I said, Bowling Green's so excited to have you here, and we have Judge Mike Buchanan here to share with you something special about today.
We are very excited to have you here. All of this South Central Kentucky is we're big fans of the film industry, and we're of course big fans of Halloween the movie and John Carpenter, one of our favorite sons.
Of course.
But we're now big fans of yours as well. We appreciate you being here and representing the film, which opens today.
Nice.
We're excited about that. And in honor of that, Warren Fiscal Court, this is Tom Lawrence with Warren Fiscal Court, one of the magistrates. And we're here representing all of Warren Fiscal Court and 125,000 people of Warren County to present to you a proclamation in recognition of your history in the film industry, and particularly playing Michael Myers in the new Halloween movie. And your character is held in the Smiths Grove State Hospital and pursued by the Warren County Sheriff's Office.
Right.
Very exciting to us here in small town America.
Well, keep in mind, I know a judge now, so.
That's right. That's right. That's right. But we're very appreciative of you being here and appearing at Skeleton's Lair. And I'd like to just say, on behalf of Warren Fiscal Court and the people of Warren County, now therefore, I, Michael O. Buchanan, Warren County Judge Executive, and the members of Warren Fiscal Court do hereby proclaim October 19th, 2018 as James Jude Courtney Day in Warren County.
Oh, that's quite an honor. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's awesome.
That's beautiful.
Have you ever had a day?
I've never had a day. Now I do.
There's a first for everything. Well, thank you again for joining us, and welcome to Bowling Green. We'll be right back with more Midday Live.
Thank you very much. That's great.